14 Elm update video. Got the outside here painted. Everything's getting done on that. It rained today is why they didn't finish, but you can see we're gonna do all the trim. We'll do the base here too. This is all getting done. We're gonna paint that too up there, so this will all be brand new up here. Let's go inside, show you what we're doing. So you can see they're getting all the paint done. So that's looking a lot better. And getting all that, the upstairs. I'll show you too, they got the electrical box almost in. You get that replaced. It's like right there, it's all there. Check out the bathroom. It's really looking good. We'll replace that shower head. I got some white on that brick. And we're getting all the cabinets done. So we can get that done. I'll show you the electrical box here. This is a brand new electrical box we're putting in. So that's getting installed. I think he's still got some inspections to do. All this is getting dry locked, as you can see. And we got work to do in there for sure. Let me show you the upstairs. Nice living room, dining. It's a nice house. There's no through street here too. It's kind of an end of a street, so it's nice. So you can see they're getting this all painted. It's really light. This white really opens it up. Again, we're going to turn around that door. Here's all this. And here's all this. This is awesome. This is nice. Clean. This is your update video. We're trying to get this one done in about 2 weeks. Thanks. If you need assistance, 216-703-5740. Thank you. Have a great day.